welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Uthando Nesthembu. Msaleko goes to Sneh to talk to her about all the things that she said in the podcast, saying ukuthi umndeni wakhe awunandaba naye, amakhomaleni mangwabe don't love her, they don't like her at all, abamfuni nje, and that yena olala ngadlile, and that amakhosikazi wo abolala uma wakhe because they didn't want Msaleko to marry her. And then umseleko uthi yini lento engiyibona ku-podcast ngisendela yona ukuthi wena uthi ulala ungadlile nokuthi abakufuni yini le, why don't you go to Makhumalo's house and eat, because we used to go there. Athi hayi angiyi mina ngithanda nje ukuba isicefe, if umuntu engasiyena uma wakho nje uvela ngathi umbangela isicefe, like if someone is not your mom, it's like you just being a nonsense to her. Athi Mthombeni yazi lento ayikhulumayo uSneh angiyizwa because it hurts me the way she talks bad about other people. Athi nje uSneh akabafuni vele, she did say, she like explicitly say that she dislikes them. Kathi wakhuluma ngathi nje awabafuni awubathandi, athi ya vele angibafuni. Athi Mseleko lokho sizohamba ke siye ku family trip, athi I'm not gonna go to a family trip, ngizohlala mina angiyi lapho, and it has nothing to do with uMakhumalo noMangwaba, I just don't want to go. And then Mseleko athi yazi Sneh, the things that you are saying zingiphatha kabi kakhulu, and also what you said about your mom, me not marrying your mom because the other wife didn't like her. Athi Sneh, her mom passed away because she was stabbed apparently, and then one only found it some days later, and then so nje uma wakhe wafa kabuhlungu. But Mseleko, it has nothing to do with the wife ukuthi uSneh umama kaSneh angamthathi. So uthi nje uSneh akalungise, there's things that talking bad about the family is not right. And then uSneh goes to the house and gives ubabake a gift. She bought her mama slippers. Babake was so happy, he even cried. He was like, his prayer is to have Sneh act right, alunga abe umuntu right, then he can die, because if angafa uSneh angalunganga, then bazomphelela inhliziyo, they gonna abandon her. Waqala ke Mseleko usuyakhala ukhalela ama-slippers, the love that she got from Sneh, he was not expecting it. He did never expected Sneh to get him something. Maybe it's because uyagula akazi. Athi nje his prayer is for Sneh to be well. Sneh said ungakhali baba, ungakhali. Athi nje Sneh did not expect his father to be so happy to a point where he starts crying. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.